Back Spain to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is, what is today? Well, today is August the 15th, 2021. It's a Sunday afternoon here in Central Ohio in the U.S. And it's time for your weekly COVID-19 vaccine report. Of course, of course, you do get two reports for the price of one today. That's right. In addition to the standard daily COVID-19 analysis, you also get the weekly vaccine roll report. Before I get started, it's a caveat, if you allow me that, and that's don't be too misled by the number of cases or hospital beds. Okay, Washington University here in the U.S. says the single best measure of a spread of a pandemic is daily deaths. All right, not cases and not hospital beds, but daily deaths. So that's really what we want to focus on. And the second thing we want to focus on is the trend. Okay, is the trend line. Are cases and deaths trending upward or are they trending downward? Okay, that's the second thing. I must mention, here in the news media in the U.S. Spam. Why not? Hey, if you're going to spam, at least you can do is subscribe to the channel, right? All right. Anyway, sorry about that. I got slightly distracted there. Okay. You wonder how many people actually use that. Okay. Anyway, let's move on. Okay. Okay, Spain. So I'll also mention, as I always do, Spain, that of course Spain does not track COVID-19 data, does not record COVID-19 data on Saturday and Sunday. But instead, they add Saturday and Sunday's numbers onto Monday. Okay, so let's start as we always do with the. Let's. Okay, so currently Spain, you've administered roughly 60.9, let's say 61 million doses total. Of those doses, what do we got? 34 million have received a single dose, while 29.5 million have received a full treatment. Okay, so this means that 73% of your population has received a single dose, and 63% of your people have received a full treatment. And the question is, are we going to see the benefits of this? Let's come over here now. Let's take a look at the daily numbers. You know, I would think that Twitch is smart enough to look and say, you know what, this guy just went from zero subscribers to from zero subscribers to 500 in 1 week. Okay, or something like that. And that's completely out of range. Okay, anyway, so what is it? So currently, Spain, you have 4.6 million cases, 82,000 deaths. You can see you had a slight decline in mortality rate. This number isn't really that useful, but this because it means that this gives us the ratio of cases to deaths. As the separation between cases and deaths increase, the mortality rate goes down. Of course, and as if the ratio of cases to death decreases, then the mortality rate go back up. Okay, so it's not really a lot of helpful. But anyway, here's some good news for you folks. You can see you're starting to see a new declining pattern in COVID-19 cases in Spain. For August the 13th, you had 15,657 cases. But back on July the 19th, you had 61,628 cases. And for the 7-day period ending for the 7-day period ending August the 18th, August the 10th, you were averaging 21,193 cases per day on average. Now look at this. You get a nice declining pattern here, but a lot of volatility. I'm never sure why you got that volatility there for. But anyway, uh, well, for August the 13th, you had 63 deaths. For the 7-day period ending August the 9th, you were averaging 90.5 deaths. All right. Now you can see you're riding a 3-week decline in cases right now, okay? And a nice low weekly death rate. You can see that this is 1,000. So currently, since all the way back, you've been averaging about maybe 750 deaths per week, 50 to 750 deaths per week. So those aren't bad numbers. I mean, you're well below this number back over here, and well below these numbers over here. So don't lose track of these small. You may not be winning the war, but you are definitely winning some battles. Okay, so here you can see. Well, there's a good chance that August is going to be lower than July's numbers. Okay. What about deaths? Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 6 months in a row now, the COVID-19 deaths have finished below this number right here. As a matter of fact, you finished below these numbers all the way over here. All right. So that's the best news. That's the best news. Hopefully, this slight uptick here in August deaths is simply a 1-month blip, 1-month speed bump, and we'll begin to see your COVID-19 deaths declining again. So anyway, Israel. Anyway, Spain. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Hey, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the. Don't forget to click on the. Don't forget to click on the like button. And most important of all, Spain, don't forget to click on that share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste a link to this video into an email or a text message. Okay, email or text message, and share it with your friends and family that way. Thanks so much for your time, Spain. We'll catch you in a few days with an updated report.